Before I do this trick, I got a few things lined up. Before I do it, I want to try something. It's a bucket list thing of mine. I've never tried it before. It might not work, but if it does work, it'll be really cool. I want everybody in the room to crack their knuckles at the same time. Not yet, but at the same time. It's an experiment. I've thought about this. I'm like, will this work? If you cringe, just plug your ears. So everybody get ready. And on the count of 3, we're all going to crack our knuckles, okay? I don't know if this will work, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! That's my time. Thank you. No. That's great. That worked. I'm doing that every time.
That should have been your closer for sure.
Oh, it's so good.